Hey everyone, today I'm going to explain how to properly collect a urine sample for medical testing. This might seem straightforward, but getting it right is essential for accurate results. First off, it's important to collect a midstream urine sample, often referred to as MSU. This means collecting urine in the middle of your urination, not at the very start or end. Let's start with the instructions for females. 1. Begin by washing your genital area thoroughly with soap and water. This step might be skipped for routine urine exams, but it's usually a good idea to clean the area properly. 1. Using 2 fingers of one hand, gently hold the outer folds of your vagina apart. With the other hand, rinse the area from the front to the back using soap and running water. 1. Start urinating, but make sure the stream doesn't touch your skin. After a couple of seconds, place a sterile container under the stream to collect the urine. Once you have enough, remove the container from the stream. 1. Finally, secure and tighten the cap on the container. Now let's move on to males. 1. Just like the females, wash the genital area thoroughly with soap and water. This may also be omitted for routine exams. 1. Begin urinating, and after a few moments, place a sterile container under the stream to collect the urine. Once you have enough, remove the container. 1. Secure and tighten the cap on the container. For infants, uncooperative, and debilitated patients, the process is slightly different. 1. Use plastic bags that can be attached after thoroughly washing the genital area. 1. Watch the bag closely and remove it immediately after the patient has passed urine. 1. If the patient hasn't urinated within 30 minutes, remove the collecting bag, re-clean the area, and attach a new collection device. For urine collection to test for Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the process is a bit more specific. 1. It's best to collect 3 consecutive early morning samples, each more than 90 milliliters in sterile containers. 1. If daily sample reporting isn't possible, a 24-hour urine collection might be used with boric acid as a preservative. 1. For catheterized patients, a doctor may prefer suprapubic aspiration in a ward. Remember, following these steps carefully will help ensure your urine sample is uncontaminated and provides accurate results. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your healthcare provider. Thanks for watching, and take care.